So first we will know what is function overloading. So in C language we can't create or use two or more functions with the same name, but C++ allows us to use two or more functions with the same name. Okay, and we can use them for perform different tasks, or we can say that is the extra feature than in C++ that allows us to use more two or more function with the same name for perform the different tasks. Or in other words, we can say with function overloading, multiple functions can have the same name with different parameters, something like that. Below I have int my function integer x, float my function float x, double my function double x, and the double y. Now the name of the function is is same, my function and every function, but its parameters are different. Here is the integer x, and here is the float x, and here is the double x and the double y. So it means the parameters means here is that the type of the parameters or their numbers should be different. Okay, and if you use the single parameter in a function like int x, you can also use the single parameter again, but its type should be different. Here is float, so it is the valid function. Okay, so for example, if we have multiple function with the same name like these 6 add function. Okay, so now I have the int add, and its parameter is int a, and the second function int b. So it is an invalid function because their type is not same, type is same, and also the number of the parameters or the formal variables is same. Here is the one variable or the parameter arguments inside the function in the both functions. So here is the another examples of the same functions, int add, int a, and I have this in this function I have the one argument inside the function, but here its data type is changed. It is here is float, so it is a valid function, and also here int add and the int a, int b, it's also a valid function, and it's also a valid function. Okay, so if I say something, let me give you an example. In an company or an organization, there are 2 employees with the same name. Okay, with the same name, and but their skills and their works is different. One is a mechanic from the mechanical department, and one is from the engineering department. Okay, so their branch and their work is different. So okay, in the company, so it is very similar to the function overloading. The function overloading is that where we can use the multiple function with the same name for perform the different task with the different parameters. Okay, that is called function overloading. So this is the program. This program is from the last video. If you didn't watch the last video, so don't worry, link is available in the video description, so go there and watch the video. Okay, so let's jump into the Visual Studio Code. So let me first comment out this program. Okay, now I will write the program. Okay, has include stdio.h, no sorry, that should be IO string. Okay, using namespace std, and here we will create the function, and in this program I will use the 2 functions for the different tasks, and the one will perform the square, and second will perform the addition of 2 numbers. Okay, so I will use int function, and here I will use something like int x, like that. Okay, now I will use that return x multiply x. Okay, it means the square of the function, and the second will will be the int function, int x and int y. Okay, and inside this function I will use the addition, return x plus y. Okay, and after that I will start the main function, int main, and here I will use three integers. First is s for square and the second is a or b for the addition. Okay, and after that I will use the cout function, and here I will print the message for the user, enter a number. Okay, and after that I will print the s for store the square of the variable s, and after that I'll print one more message, that is the is. So it will print enter a number. Okay, wait, no, it is for the and l, and after that cin and the s. Okay, and again cout, and here I'll print a message, the square is, and then print the s, and then again is. Here it will, okay, wait, so the square is, and it will print the value of s, and then is, and here I will call the function 1 for the square. Okay, for the square, and the end l, c function, and after that I will again use cout and print the another message, enter two numbers. After that cout, cin and the a, then b. Okay, and cout, so the sum is, then and then FNC function a comma b. Okay, so after that we will use return 0. We will use it inside the main function here. So now the program is ready for execution, so let's go ahead and execute the program, and let's see what will be the output and what for it will ask to us. It will say enter a number. Okay, enter a number. We will enter 3, and the square is 3. Square is, okay, square of 3, we should type square of 3 is 9. Okay, so enter in two numbers, one is 2 and second is 3, so the sum is 5. Okay, so first let's decorate it much more. So the square of s is, okay, great. Now let's execute this again, and enter a number, that is 2, and the square of 2 is 4. Enter two numbers, first is 2 and the second is 3, so the sum is 5. So I hope you understand the function overloading. So if you enjoyed the video or is helpful for you, then like this video, share with your friends, and if you are new on my channel, then you should subscribe it for